Our world brims with technology. Smartphones connect us instantly. They have become an integral part of our daily lives, allowing us to communicate, work, and entertain ourselves with just a few taps on a screen. From social media to navigation, these devices have revolutionized how we interact with the world and each other. Self-driving cars navigate our roads. These autonomous vehicles are not just a vision of the future, they are already here, transforming the way we travel. With advanced sensors and AI, they promise safer and more efficient transportation, reducing the risk of human error and traffic accidents. But imagine a future with intelligent robots by our side. These robots could assist us in ways we never thought possible, from helping with household chores to providing companionship. They could become an extension of ourselves, enhancing our capabilities and improving our quality of life. Tesla, known for electric vehicles, is now venturing into robotics. This innovative company is leveraging its expertise in AI and engineering to create a new generation of robots. Their vision is to develop machines that can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, performing tasks that are too dangerous, repetitive, or mundane for humans. Their goal: create humanoid robots capable of assisting us in countless ways. These robots could take on a variety of roles, from personal assistants to caregivers, making our lives easier and more efficient. Imagine a robot that can cook, clean, and even provide medical assistance when needed. This is no longer science fiction. It's a glimpse into our rapidly approaching future. The advancements in robotics and AI are happening at an unprecedented pace, bringing us closer to a world where intelligent machines are a common sight. This future holds immense potential for innovation and progress. These robots, often called Tesla bots or Optimus, are in their early stages. The prototypes are being meticulously designed and tested to ensure they can perform a wide range of tasks safely and efficiently. Each component is crafted with precision, reflecting Tesla's commitment to quality and innovation. But their potential impact is enormous. These robots could revolutionize industries from manufacturing to healthcare by taking on tasks that require precision and endurance. They could work alongside humans, enhancing productivity and enabling us to achieve more than ever before. Imagine a world where robots handle mundane tasks, care for the elderly, and provide support to those in need. These machines could offer a level of assistance that allows people to focus on what truly matters, whether it's spending time with loved ones or pursuing personal passions, or even explore dangerous environments. Robots could be deployed in disaster zones, conducting search and rescue operations, or working in hazardous conditions where human presence is risky. Their ability to operate in extreme environments could save lives and prevent injuries, showcasing the true potential of this groundbreaking technology. Right now, Optimus is still learning to walk, literally. Videos released by Tesla show the robot taking slow, deliberate steps. It can identify objects and even interact with them in basic ways. While impressive, these early demonstrations are just that, early. Optimus is far from ready to navigate the complexities of our world. Think of a toddler, just beginning to understand its surroundings and how to move within them. That's Optimus today. The key to unlocking the potential of Tesla bots lies in artificial intelligence, or AI. This sophisticated technology is the driving force behind the remarkable capabilities of these robots. AI is not just a single entity, but a combination of various technologies that enable machines to mimic human intelligence. It encompasses machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning algorithms, all working in harmony to create a seamless and intelligent system. AI allows robots to learn, adapt, and make decisions. Through continuous learning, these robots can improve their performance over time. They analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make informed decisions based on their findings. This ability to learn and adapt is what sets AI-powered robots apart from traditional machines. They are not just programmed to perform specific tasks, they can evolve and become more efficient with each interaction. Tesla is a leader in AI thanks to its work on self-driving cars. The company's extensive research and development in autonomous driving technology have paved the way for advancements in AI. Tesla's self-driving cars are equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and cameras that collect real-time data from the environment. This data is then processed by powerful AI algorithms to make split-second decisions, ensuring a safe and smooth driving experience. The same technology used to help cars see and understand their environment will be crucial for robots. Computer vision, a subset of AI, enables machines to interpret and make sense of visual information. This technology allows robots to navigate their surroundings, detect obstacles, and interact with objects and people. By leveraging computer vision, Tesla bots can operate autonomously in various environments, from homes to factories. As AI advances, so too will the capabilities of Tesla bots. The continuous improvement in AI algorithms and hardware will lead to more sophisticated and versatile robots. These advancements will enable Tesla bots to perform a wider range of tasks with greater precision and efficiency. From simple household chores to complex industrial operations, the potential applications of these robots are limitless. They'll become more adept at navigating complex situations, interacting with humans, and understanding social cues. This will make them invaluable companions and assistants in various settings. Whether it's providing care for the elderly, assisting in medical procedures, or working alongside humans in manufacturing, Tesla bots will revolutionize the way we live and work, and performing a wider range of tasks. The future of robotics is bright, and with AI at the helm, Tesla bots are set to lead the charge. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, we can look forward to a world where intelligent robots seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, making them more convenient, efficient, and exciting. One of the biggest challenges for humanoid robots is movement. Walking upright on two legs, manipulating objects with our hands. These are complex tasks that we take for granted. Tesla is working to overcome these challenges. They are developing advanced sensors, actuators, and control algorithms to give robots the dexterity and balance they need. In the next decade, we can expect to see Tesla bots move with increasing grace and precision, eventually rivaling our own physical abilities. Section 5, a decade of disruption robots in our midst. Now, fast forward 10 years. Imagine a world where Tesla bots are commonplace. They could be helping us with groceries, assisting in surgeries, or even building homes. This is the potential impact of this technology. This won't happen overnight. The transition will be gradual, but the implications are vast. We need to start thinking now about how we want to integrate robots into our lives. Section 6. The home front, chores, companionship, and more. Imagine coming home from a long day to find your Tesla bot has already cooked dinner and tidied up. This might sound like science fiction, but it could be our reality in the not-so-distant future. Tesla bots could take over mundane household chores, freeing up our time for more enjoyable activities. They could even provide companionship, especially for the elderly or people living alone. Section 7. Reshaping the workforce, opportunities and anxieties. The rise of robots will undoubtedly transform the workforce. Some jobs will be automated, leading to concerns about job displacement, but new opportunities will also emerge. We'll need people to design, build, and maintain robots. New industries and job sectors will arise. The key is to prepare for these changes, ensuring that everyone benefits from this technological revolution. Section 8. The ethics of artificial help, a new social contract. The development of advanced robots raises profound ethical questions. How do we ensure that robots are used responsibly? How do we prevent potential harm? These are questions we need to grapple with as a society. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI. We need to have open and honest conversations about the potential risks and benefits of this technology. Section 9. The future is unwritten, your vision, your voice. The future of Tesla bots, and indeed all advanced robots, is not predetermined. It's a future that we will shape through our choices and actions. It's a future that we will all inherit. What kind of future do we want to create? Let's discuss. Share your thoughts, your hopes, and your concerns. Your voice matters in shaping this new era. Section 10. Join the conversation, Tesla bots. Dream or dilemma? Now it's your turn. Imagine a world where robots are an integral part of our daily lives. Tesla bots, with their advanced AI and sleek design, promise to revolutionize the way we live and work. But with every great innovation comes a set of challenges and questions that we must address. What do you think about the future of Tesla bots? Will they be the game changer that propels humanity into a new era of efficiency and convenience, or will they bring unforeseen complications that we are not yet prepared to handle? The potential is vast, but so are the uncertainties. Are you excited about the possibilities? Imagine robots assisting in healthcare, performing surgeries with precision, or helping in disaster relief by reaching places humans can't. Picture them taking over mundane tasks, giving us more time to focus on creativity and innovation. The excitement is palpable and the possibilities seem endless. Do you have concerns about the potential downsides? With great power comes great responsibility. There are valid concerns about job displacement, privacy issues, and the ethical implications of creating machines that can think and act autonomously. How do we ensure that these robots are used for the greater good and not for harmful purposes? Vote in our poll. Will Tesla bots make our lives better? Yes or no? Your opinion matters. By participating in this poll, you contribute to a broader understanding of public sentiment towards this groundbreaking technology. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your voice heard. Share your predictions in the comments. How do you envision the integration of Tesla bots into our society? Will they become our trusted companions, or will they remain tools that we cautiously monitor? Your insights and predictions can spark meaningful discussions and help shape the future narrative. How do you think Tesla bots will change our world in the next decade? From smart homes to intelligent transportation systems, the impact of Tesla bots could be profound. They might redefine industries, create new job opportunities, and even change the way we interact with our environment. The next decade could be a transformative period in human history. The future is coming, and it's up to us to shape it together. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, it's crucial that we engage in thoughtful dialogue and collaborative efforts. Together, we can navigate the challenges and harness the potential of Tesla bots to create a better, more inclusive future for all.